Hey guys, Alex here for Kiss My Keto. So, a few weeks ago, I woke up one morning and it just hit me how confusing and how much contradictory information is floating around about the keto diet. I thought to myself, man, keto should be exciting, not confusing. Our goal at Kiss My Keto has always been to make keto as easy as possible for you. Whether you're a true keto newbie or have been on keto for a while, it really doesn't matter. We're all in this together. So below is a little roadmap for you. Think of it as your control panel to access all things keto in any manner you want. Go through it in order for a full and comprehensive understanding, or skip around to get a general idea. Whatever you want to do, there's no right or wrong way when it comes to learning keto. We've designed these sections below this video in the best way we thought possible to soak it all in and to get you ready to take action. Ready to get started? Okay, let's do it. So first off, we have a Keto FAQ tool, which is awesome. Here you'll find answers to the many concerns you may have, as well as more scientific information about the nuts and bolts of keto. Type in any word or phrase into the search box and it will instantly populate your answer. For example, if you wanted to know how many carbs are in an avocado, type in the word how many carbs or avocado and your question will magically appear. There's over 200 question and answers, so I'm very confident we'll have your questions covered. But if not, just shoot us an email and we'll add it to the list. As they say, ask and you shall receive. In the next section, you'll find our Keto Academy, which are keto video lessons run by myself and Michael. Think of it as an online crash course, or as we like to call it, the Keto Masterclass. No stone is left unturned, and best of all, it's absolutely free. Every episode has a little quiz at the end to help you retain all the knowledge from the episode. Just think, in 1 hour of watching the entire Module 1, you will know as much about the keto diet as many of the health bloggers and fitness gurus out there. Next is a list of keto-friendly foods, aka your keto grocery list. If I only had $1 for every time Michael and I got asked the question, what can I eat on the ketogenic diet? We'd be living on our own private island, but still be running Kiss My Keto. We ask you in a few short questions and then provide an extensive grocery list that takes all of the guesswork out of it for you. Best of all, you can send the list straight to your inbox or your phone so you can have it on you at all times. How convenient is that? Next, we have a keto food calculator, or as I like to call it, the carb calculator. Wondering about a certain food item and whether it fits into your keto meal plan? Just type a food in the search box and you'll quickly discover how much fat, protein, net carbs, fiber, and calories are in that particular food. So go ahead and give it a go. Like all of our keto tools, it's free and it won't cost you a penny. Next up is our Keto Macro Calculator. This is just another super convenient tool that won't leave you wondering if you've got your macros right. Just plug in some basic information like height, weight, and activity level, and we'll tell you exactly how much fat, protein, and carbs you need to eat, lose, maintain, or gain weight. We weren't kidding when we said we want this lifestyle to be as accessible for you as possible. But isn't keto boring? How can you cook delicious meals if you can't cook with carbs? I hear this a lot, but don't worry guys, we have you covered. In the next section, you can browse through our keto recipe library. It's filled with over 300 keto-friendly recipes that will have your mouth watering. We bet you didn't think eating these dishes and achieving your macro goals was even possible. Plus, you'll get all the macro breakdowns and ingredients so you know how to best prepare each delicious meal. Now that you have your macros dialed in and a newfound love for keto desserts, let's also show you some weekly meal plans with a little prep. We'll make this ketogenic diet not only tasty, but realistic. Coming home from a long day at work and then having to spend time and energy figuring out what you're allowed to eat and how to make it is a pain. In the next section, you'll discover our interactive keto meal planner, where you can customize your own meal plan based on your eating habits. We've already added some pre-made meal plans, so you can go and configure them pretty quickly. Swap a dish on Monday, add a snack on Tuesday, not a problem. Best of all, you can send an ingredient list of all your dishes in your meal plan, so you can go to the grocery store with your list ready to go. The next section is our Keto Blog, or as I like to call it, the Keto Log. We update this section regularly, and we like to post articles on current trends in the keto industry. So if you want to stay up to date with the latest keto news, check it out. Finally, you can sign up to our emails, located at the bottom of this page. We promise not to spam you with junk, but only relevant keto news, and we certainly won't be pushing our products down your throats every day like some other companies. You'll also notice a Facebook like box. If you click the like button, you'll automatically join the community of men and women who've already kissed their keto. That's the best way to stay connected with everyone. Join our community, message each other, and keep up to date with all the latest keto news. Keto is a journey that has its ups and downs, and no one should be doing this alone. We're in this together. Well, that's it. I know keto can seem a little overwhelming at first. Hopefully this page will set you on a path to keto success and get you excited and not confused about the ketogenic lifestyle. Trust me guys, this diet is not complicated if you have the right tools and information at your disposal. If I can do it, you can do it. And if you have any questions, feel free to email us at hello@kissmyketo.com or give us a call at 310-765-1553. Both Michael and myself are standing by and ready to chat with you anytime about your keto concerns or any questions you may have. Thanks again, and as always, stay keto.